Welcome to Easy English Room, your shadowing practice for real English speaking.
Have you ever accepted an invitation that sounded simple but turned into a memorable experience? Those everyday moments often become the best opportunities to practice real English because they feel natural, meaningful, and easy to imagine. I'm really glad you've chosen to spend a little time here with me today at Easy English Room. In this session, we'll enjoy a relaxing shadowing practice designed especially for intermediate English learners at the B1, B2 level. Today's story follows a real-life experience of volunteering at a neighborhood community garden for the very first time. You'll meet friendly people, complete small tasks together, and discover how ordinary conversations can build your confidence in English. There's no pressure to speak perfectly. Just listen carefully, notice the rhythm, and repeat each sentence in your own voice. Little by little, your pronunciation, fluency, and listening skills will grow naturally. Whenever you're ready, let's begin our peaceful English journey together. Shadowing is most effective when you listen with full attention before speaking. Allow the words to flow at a comfortable pace. Repeat naturally instead of rushing. Notice how the sentences connect smoothly. Enjoy the experience and trust your progress. Let's get started. Today was my first day as a garden volunteer. Listen carefully. Today was my first day as a garden volunteer. The entrance gate stood wide open with colorful flowers nearby. Your turn. The entrance gate stood wide open with colorful flowers nearby. Several volunteers were arranging tools beside a wooden shed. Repeat after me. Several volunteers were arranging tools beside a wooden shed. Everyone smiled as new people arrived. Say it aloud. Everyone smiled as new people arrived. A cheerful woman welcomed every volunteer with kind words. Repeat that. A cheerful woman welcomed every volunteer with kind words. We're happy you could join us today. Your turn. We're happy you could join us today. The friendly greeting made everyone feel comfortable. Read it aloud. The friendly greeting made everyone feel comfortable. A name tag helped people remember each other's names. Repeat after me. A name tag helped people remember each other's names. Fresh herbs filled the air with wonderful smells. Your turn. Fresh herbs filled the air with wonderful smells. The garden looked much larger than expected. Say that naturally. The garden looked much larger than expected. Small paths connected different planting areas. Repeat that. Small paths connected different planting areas. Bright vegetables were growing in neat rows. Your turn. Bright vegetables were growing in neat rows. Butterflies moved gently from flower to flower. Listen carefully. Butterflies moved gently from flower to flower. The morning sunshine made everything look fresh. Repeat after me. The morning sunshine made everything look fresh. Each volunteer received a pair of gardening gloves. Your turn. Each volunteer received a pair of gardening gloves. Our first task seemed simple and enjoyable. Say it again. Our first task seemed simple and enjoyable. We carefully removed weeds around young tomato plants. Repeat that. We carefully removed weeds around young tomato plants. The soft soil felt cool beneath my hands. Your turn. The soft soil felt cool beneath my hands. An experienced volunteer shared helpful gardening tips. Read it aloud. An experienced volunteer shared helpful gardening tips. Healthy roots need enough space to grow. Repeat after me. Healthy roots need enough space to grow. That advice sounded easy to remember. Your turn. That advice sounded easy to remember. A nearby bird sang from a tall tree. Say it naturally. A nearby bird sang from a tall tree. The peaceful sound made the work more relaxing. Repeat that. The peaceful sound made the work more relaxing. Several children watered colorful flower beds together. Your turn. Several children watered colorful flower beds together. Their laughter spread across the whole garden. Listen carefully. Their laughter spread across the whole garden. A gentle breeze cooled the warm afternoon. Repeat after me. A gentle breeze cooled the warm afternoon. Someone offered fresh lemonade during a short break. Your turn. Someone offered fresh lemonade during a short break. The cold drink tasted especially refreshing. Say that aloud. The cold drink tasted especially refreshing. Everyone gathered beneath a large shady tree. Repeat that. Everyone gathered beneath a large shady tree. Conversations became easier with every passing minute. Your turn. Conversations became easier with every passing minute. One volunteer talked about growing vegetables at home. Read it aloud. One volunteer talked about growing vegetables at home. Another volunteer enjoyed planting colorful flowers instead. Repeat after me. Another volunteer enjoyed planting colorful flowers instead. Different ideas made the conversation more interesting. Your turn. Different ideas made the conversation more interesting. The break ended sooner than anyone expected. Say it again. The break ended sooner than anyone expected. Our next project involved planting small lettuce seedlings. Repeat that. Our next project involved planting small lettuce seedlings. Every seedling needed careful attention and enough water. Your turn. Every seedling needed careful attention and enough water. Working together made the job feel surprisingly easy. Listen carefully. Working together made the job feel surprisingly easy. The empty spaces slowly became bright green rows. Repeat after me. The empty spaces slowly became bright green rows. Everyone admired the progress with satisfied smiles. Your turn. Everyone admired the progress with satisfied smiles. A neighbor stopped to thank the volunteers. Say that naturally. A neighbor stopped to thank the volunteers. The kind words meant a lot to everyone. Repeat that. The kind words meant a lot to everyone. Small acts of kindness can brighten an entire community. Your turn. Small acts of kindness can brighten an entire community. The afternoon passed faster than expected. Read it aloud. The afternoon passed faster than expected. 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 The Read it aloud. The afternoon passed faster than expected. Clean tools were returned to the storage shed. Repeat after me. Clean tools were returned to the storage shed. The garden looked even more beautiful than before. Your turn. The garden looked even more beautiful than before. A group photo celebrated everyone's hard work. Say it again. A group photo celebrated everyone's hard work. Smiling faces reflected pride and teamwork. Repeat that. Smiling faces reflected pride and teamwork. Many volunteers promised to return next weekend. Your turn. Many volunteers promised to return next weekend. I'd love to see you here again. Read it aloud. I'd love to see you here again. That invitation felt warm and sincere. Repeat after me. That invitation felt warm and sincere. Walking home brought a quiet sense of accomplishment. Your turn. Walking home brought a quiet sense of accomplishment. Simple experiences often create lasting memories. Say it naturally. Simple experiences often create lasting memories. Today became much more meaningful than I imagined. Repeat that. Today became much more meaningful than I imagined. Thank you for joining me for another relaxing shadowing session here at Easy English Room. Today, you followed a complete real-life experience while practicing natural English one sentence at a time. Every sentence you repeated helped strengthen your pronunciation, listening, and speaking confidence. Remember that steady practice brings lasting improvement. You don't need to be perfect, you only need to keep showing up and using your English regularly. I truly appreciate the time you've shared with me today, and I hope this story left you feeling calm, encouraged, and motivated. Take good care of yourself, keep your English active every day, and I'll be waiting to welcome you back for another enjoyable shadowing adventure very soon.